This is the one of the die sets for a Sizzix die cutter. So it's a small die cutter that you can use at home. And here's how it works. You open this up and you've got this is the cutter. It's pretty safe because the cutting blades are kind of inside this rubber, and the Sizzix is a press. So you put a piece of paper down, you set this into the Sizzix, and you can see what it looks like here. Pull the crank, it's going to put pressure down, it's going to expose those blades. And this one cuts out price tags. So you could put down some cardboard or some heavy paper, and you'd cut and you'd pop out price tags each time you press the lever. So these are available in lots of different shapes, lots of different uses, and instead of having to cut any intricate shape over and over and over, this way you have a die cutter to press it out, the Sizzix system. Hope this helps.